Hello everybody, LV Uso back again with another video. Alright guys, I got a $40 session. I got a $20 Strike It Rich, ticket number 19. And I got a $20 loaded cash explosion, ticket number 28. Alright, my favorite ticket here. So let's start off with the Strike It Rich. Alright. So before I start, I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for the love and support to the channel. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're already part of the family of the channel, much mahalos for coming back and watching my videos. All right. Match any of the numbers to the win numbers. Win the prize shown. Reveal. Is that money roll? Alright, sorry guys. Yeah, it is a money roll for an auto win, 20x, 20 times the prize. And then you got the bonuses here. You find a stack of coins, you win 50. Money bag, you win 100. Or a stack of cash or a gold bar, 200 for $200. Yeah, it's a gold bar. Alright. Okay, let's go. We're scratching with my collab coin. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Alright. Alright, we're looking for, what is that? 36, 25, 47, 29, 38, 27, or the fat 40. We're about to give you the odds, 1 in 3.06. Alright. Did I mess that up? Oh no. Alright, come on. Let's go, guys. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Jeez. Really hard to scratch. All right. We got 24, 34, lucky 13, my lucky number 8, and Hawaii 5-0. We got a 4-0. Jeez. All right. Lucas 23, number 5, June bucks 33, 7, 49ers, not there. All right, 48, 41, the dirty 30, 26, 18, nope, no teams up there or singles. Okay, Niners, 42, 35, 31, no singles. All right, last row, guys, last row. All right, we got a 46, sweet 16, nope, tuk, a single one. Okay, nothing there. All right, all comes down to the bonus. Come on, strike it rich. Gee. What is that? Oh, it's a gold nugget. Chicken nugget. All right, we're looking for the money bag. Nope. And gold, we got a bell. Ay. Oh man, that was rough, that ticket. All right. Odds is 3.10. 3.10. Okay, bonus area. Just looking for identical matching symbols. You win the prize. Matching number game. Just looking for that $100 bursty. Or $1,000 burst. You win $1,000. All right. Come on. All right, let's go. Oh, this one is easy to scratch. All right, we're looking for 25, 41, 46, number 9, 49ers, Hawaii 5-0, 47. Okay, come on, we need to find that bursty. All right, we got 28, 42, 17, 31, 27, 48. 26, 20, 14, 45. 38. Sweet 16. That was a harder ticket. 15. No singles. 12, 11. Junebox 33, 36, or 7. Oh, we do have a single. Number 9. Number 9. All right. No cash 23, 4, 37. Engine 29. Order dirty 30. Negative, right? Jeez, coming down to the bonus. Identical symbols. Okay, we're looking for a star. And we get a nose. Ay. Well, came in with $40 and 0 out. Well, that's the real lottery. This is a real lottery, guys. Not every ticket gonna be a winner. So, and I do post all my winning sessions and my losing sessions. So you will see this new losing session. All right. Other than that, take it easy, everybody. God bless. And as always, happy scratching. Hello, everybody. All right.